G'day, I'm Peter Fritz and welcome to this inaugural episode of Photography in 3 Minutes, where we talk about one specific element of photography and how you might improve. This episode is about golden hour. What is it? Why is it so appealing? And why do we all lust after it like 13-year-olds who've just hit puberty? Well, it's pretty simple really. Golden hour is that period around about half an hour, that last half an hour before the sun goes down, or that half an hour after the sun has come up, depending on what your horizon line is. If you're faced with hills, large hills in front of you, then of course your visible horizon line is quite a bit higher. And by the time the sun pokes its head over, or by the time the sun has approached that, then it's still not going to be as warm as if you had a clear sight of the actual horizon. But that's a technicality. The thing with golden hour is because the sun is so large at that point, it's closest to the earth, and because it is actually shining its light through the atmosphere horizontally like this, it's picking up all of the dust particles, smoke, pollution, all that sort of stuff, which warms the light. So basically you've got a very large, diffuse, warm light source painting your scene, and that can transform an otherwise very mundane landscape into something of rich golden beauty. And that's why we all lust after it. Well, at least I certainly do. It can totally transform the looks of hills. I love shooting hills, and golden hour is just perfect for kissing the tops of those hills and subtly accentuating the shadows in the dips between them. It is absolutely beautiful. It's also great for backlighting trees. It has so many uses. There are limits to how you can use it, of course. It might not always be coming from the direction that you need to paint your scene, but the quality of the light at golden hour is just absolutely gorgeous. And so that's why it is just so appealing to landscape photographers. That's golden hour in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.